Okay, I'm Kathy, and I'm really excited to tell you about the success that I had using Integrity Jewelers clay. I was so fortunate to meet him because I have this bracelet that was given to my grandmother on her honeymoon. It has a matching ring that goes with it by her new husband at the time. And I've had it since I was in my teens, so that was in the 70s. So I've had it for many, many years, and probably over 10 years ago, it snapped in half. It broke, and I've had it in my jewelry box. I've taken it to several jewelers, but I was so fortunate to meet Clay, and he said, sure, he would take care of that for me, and within a very short amount of time I have it back, and it's in beautiful condition, better than I can even remember, so I'm very excited and thankful.